Take everything out of the box and inspect for damage. Make sure you have the correct probe and membrane cap. Ensure that you have the right electrolyte and that it hasn't expired. The end of the sensor should be bright and shiny. If it is not bright and shiny, it will need to be cleaned. To clean the gold sensor tip with a minimum amount of force, slide the probe tip along the dull side of the emery paper. Slide the seal up the membrane cap to expose the vent hole. Fill the membrane cap to the top using the electrolyte. Pouring at an angle reduces the chance of bubbles in the electrolyte. Check the inside of the membrane for bubbles. Vertically lower the probe into the membrane and tighten until there is no gap. Slide the seal back into the groove, covering the vent hole. Carefully remove any excess electrolyte from the sensor. Do not rub or wipe the membrane. Thank you for watching.